Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Alexandra Defian. I have something very interesting for you guys. I just opened my Premiere Pro now and I ran into some issues, and I felt like I found a solution for it. So I felt like showing you guys because some of you might actually have issues with it, and you actually feel the same way I felt at first. I actually felt like this stuff has crashed again. Like most of you know, Premiere Pro 2019. I don't know if it's for everybody. It's really giving me issues. I don't know if it affects everybody, but my own Premiere Pro 2019 version is really a problem. Any little thing just crashed or something. So I felt the same way because I've been working on this project for a while and this happened. So I'm going to be taking you guys to my Premiere Pro and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about and the issue I faced and how I was able to actually figure out a solution. So before I go, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, and I really appreciate it if you like, and also share this video to various video editors. So guys, so let me take you guys to my Premiere Pro so we can get started. So basically, let's go. Okay, basically this is my Premiere Pro. Let me try and turn off my audio. I don't want you guys to listen to the audio. So not that I don't want you guys to listen to the audio will be censored by um, YouTube, so that's why I'm actually turning off the audio. Okay, so basically, now this is the issue. Now if you play it back, it should be on mute. Okay, can you see it going? Now other images are playing, but okay, for example, this part played, then green, this part played again, then this part played again, then green again, then continued. Now the issue with this is at first you feel okay, your Premiere Pro has crashed, but no, it didn't crash. Let me show you what happened. Now, if you notice, it only affects those pictures, those footages are actually color coded. Whenever I'm editing my videos, I majorly color code my footages. For example, this yellow are for the bride getting ready, while this green are for they're also for the bride getting ready, but when she was done dressing up, and probably a portrait, the bride's portrait and the likes. So these parts here, they're also bride getting ready, but the brown ones are for the groom getting ready, while this is just the reception and the likes. So basically, this yellow part are showing green. Now the issue is the reason why most of this is like this is that there are some effects that are yet to be loaded onto Premiere Pro. Not that your footage crashed, not that your Premiere Pro is having any issue or crashing. It's not as if your Premiere Pro has crashed. The issue is your effect that you applied to this footage are yet to be loaded onto Premiere Pro. So how to fix that, I'll show you. Now, let me take you guys to this part. Alright, this part. So I'll click on this image, for example, then I'll come to effects. Now on this effect, basically, I've already applied two effects: warp stabilizer and lumetric effect. Warp stabilizer and lumetric effect. Now, warp stabilizer actually just stabilizes things. It doesn't affect the visibility. It only stabilizes things. So there's nothing wrong with warp stabilizer. But the lumetric color, there's something that actually affects the look of the image. So the best thing for you to do is don't be frightened. Just some people actually feel the best way to solve this is to open your Premiere Pro and close it again. If you close your Premiere Pro and open it again, if you do that, it's still gonna be the same thing because the effect hasn't been loaded. So just go to your Lumetri, click on the FX, just toggle the FX on and off. You toggle it off, it comes on, toggle it on back, then your effects are applied back again. So now if I play this from beginning, the green is no longer showing. Likewise this also, the green is showing. Just click on the footage, click on the visibility effect that was applied, which is Lumetri for me. Yours might be different. Yours can be another thing. So when I click on the effect back again, it's visible again. And if I play this from beginning, it's visible. Now this green also, click on it, toggle the visibility for Lumetri, toggle it back on, then voila, it's good. So basically, that was how I was able to, okay, turn it on, off, on, back again, and that was just it. So let's take it again, on, off. So it's back on again. So that was how I was able to figure that out. So in case you're actually faced with such an issue, you don't have to be scared. Just toggle the visibility effect. Yours might be different. Visibility effects. Yours could be probably Lumetri like I did. Yours could be I don't know what visibility effects can be. Can actually, there's so many other visibility effects. I mean visual effect that you can see that actually affect the output, the look of the image. So I did some color grading. So and they are yet to be uploaded on Premiere Pro or to load on Premiere Pro. I don't know why. So that is the reason why you have such effects. So whenever you're faced with such effects, it's either Premiere Pro is having issues loading your effects, or your effects are just maybe got corrupted or something. But it's most of the time not being corrupted. It's majorly not being able to be read by Premiere Pro. So that's basic effect. That's the basic reason why for me. So that's the issue I faced on Premiere Pro, and this was how I was able to solve it. I hope this video is helpful to you. I just encountered it this morning while editing this highlight. I've been working on this project. I can't imagine myself starting afresh with this project. It's a lot of work. So guys, so thank you for watching to this video. I'm so grateful. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button. I post videos regularly. But I post videos on my channel, and they are most of the time very helpful images. They are majorly unique images in the sense that they are problems I face, and I just dabble around Premiere Pro. Actually, the first time I went to my preference, change the visibility output to software, change it back to hardware, change the performance from battery and from memory to performance, change a lot of stuff, but that didn't work. So I've dabbled around Premiere Pro and I discovered it was the effect that was the issue. So to save yourself the stress whenever you're faced with such issue, don't start your project from square one. This is the solution. So my name is Alexandra Defian, and thank you guys for watching today's video. I'm so glad you guys came on board today. Kindly like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button. Bye. Again, I'm very sorry for the video. It just came up and I had to just create something. I couldn't just set up that fast. So I see you guys some other time. So yeah, so big shout out to my light source, my short small fan, which also there's this small, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so yeah, that's my light source there. And yeah, so I also have my window here. So I don't know if you can see it. So shit, no. I think this does a little bit. Then your camera to the side, so you get a round bright lighting, and yeah, I think that's cool. That's different. So light source, so just learn how to bend the light. So I see you guys another time. Bye.